Guys, listen. What if I told you I'm not real, but I can speak, teach, and even build a brand?
Whether you're a content creator or looking to set up a faceless channel, this is for you.
Look at these videos now. These avatars were created within minutes.
Nice one. My PA just told me she created my avatar after watching this tutorial.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Today we've got some exciting topics to dive into. But first, this viewer has a question.
Christy, how much did you pay to generate your avatar? Was it expensive?
No, I didn't cost a dime. I'll show you the exact steps to create one like me using free tools. Please go ahead and tap the subscribe button and like this video. All right, let's get into it.
Firstly, you have to create your prompt. Now you can do that using ChatGPT or Gemini AI. Ensure you have specific details about your personality or the personality of the avatar you want to create infused in that prompt. That's exactly why I had to write the prompt myself. As you can see here, I wrote a 3D avatar of a young, beautiful, caramel-skinned African woman sitting in a studio. She's wearing a white sleeveless turtleneck. And I went on to specify details about her outfit. I even gave details of the inscription I wanted in the studio. Paste your edited prompt in Gemini. The next step is to click on the plus sign and it will take you directly to your gallery. There you select a preferred photo of yourself that you want to use for this AI avatar. So once you select a photo, you click on the arrow sign and in a few seconds, your AI avatar will be generated. So just give it a few seconds and there you have it. So you have your AI avatar here, but this is not all. What we've done here is basically to see if the prompt works and if we like what the prompt generated. So here, I like the image, I like the background, I like the studio, but I'm not in love with the inscription. It looks misplaced. The subscribe button is too close to my hair. The microphone doesn't sit well with me. So let's do something else, but I like the image so we can work with this prompt. The next tool is Microsoft Designer. With this tool, you can create crispy, clear images. And guess what? You get 15 free credits monthly. With Microsoft Designer, you have several options of amazing ideas to create. But for the purpose of this video, we're creating an image. So click on Image, paste your prompt in the description box, and then edit out the part that says using the provided face. Once that is done, click on Size and you have a drop down of 3 different options to use. You have the square, portrait, and landscape. For this video, we're selecting landscape. So select that and hit the arrow button. Your images will be generated. Another reason why I love this tool is because it generates 4 different options for you. Now you can go ahead and select. As you can see, you scroll, you see 4 beautiful images with nice inscriptions on the wall, the positioning of the couch, the chairs, the microphone. Everything looks perfect. Everything looks nice. Also remember that if you're not cool with the options generated, you can reprompt to regenerate again, or you can just click to generate and it will give you 4 other options to select. So we'll head back to Gemini and click on the plus sign. It takes you directly to your gallery. There you select a photo of yourself you want to use. Once that is loading, click on the plus sign again and select one of the images you generated from Microsoft Designer. Then paste your prompt. This is another prompt I already had in my notes. As you can see, it says, with this real image of myself, create my own 3D avatar, but I want her looking straight at the camera in the studio in the second image. Make it 9:16 aspect ratio and she's wearing a white sleeveless turtleneck and a blue jeans. Her hands are in a talking position. Then I hit send. That will generate my AI avatar for me. In a case where you're not thrilled or you're not impressed with this, you can always tweak the prompts. You don't need to reinsert your prompts. Just type in, give me another version, or change her head position, or I want a different mic, and you have several options from that same prompt. You can even play around with her hair color, the outfit, her talking and sitting position. But in this case, I'm really impressed with what I have because this is the type of setup I was looking to generate. So there is the lighting on the wall, the name inscribed on the wall, there is a glowy subscribe button, and it just sits really well with me. So that's why I'm going to stick with this. So now that we have created the perfect avatar, it's time to bring it to life using Grok AI. I'm going to open my Grok app and then tap on Imagine option or Create Videos. The next is to click on Add Photography. Then I'll select one of the AI avatars I just created and type in my prompt. I already have some prompts I wrote down in my notes, but for you, you can actually create prompts using ChatGPT. I'll head over to my notes, copy out some of the prompts I wrote down, paste it in the description, and have it generate my video.
What if I told you I'm not real, but I can speak, teach, and even build a brand? But first, please hit the subscribe button and like this video.
Did you see how nice these videos came out? Sometimes Grok AI doesn't give you exactly what you want in your first try. So the hack is to click on the redo button and it will regenerate for you, or reprompt and get better results. You can also experiment with different scripts, gestures, and tones until you find something that matches the personality of your avatar. To use an accent, let's say the Nigerian accent like you have in the beginning of the video, or American or British accent, it has to be in your prompt. Here we have use a Nigerian accent and ensure what your AI avatar or character will say starts in a quote and ends in a quote. The quotation marks helps your character to understand that that is what your character is meant to say. Also add this, using the right gestures and mannerisms, it helps your character to behave according to what they are saying.
You just created your own AI avatar from scratch, completely free. Please subscribe so you don't miss my next tutorial.